What's up, guys? Coming up with another video. This is gonna be the new whip. I'm speechless, guys. I'm speechless. I don't even know what to say. This shit is insane. There you go, guys. The oil is on. It's in the trailer now. I'm speechless. I'm speechless. I don't even know what to say. Damn. This is crazy. This is crazy. That's crazy. I'm speechless, guys. It's gonna take time to know what to say, to be honest. Damn. Alright, guys, this is it. We're home. You guys can't really see it, but this is the new whip. I'll show you guys the interior next time. With that being said, guys, I'm gonna get you guys a good video on the daylight of how the truck looks and everything and what the truck has. But for now, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Smash that thumbs up button for me, guys. I appreciate it a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out.